I'm going to be showing you how to change email or phone number linked to Hinge account. So you cannot directly change the phone number associated with a Hinge account for security reasons. You can only change your email address by tapping your photo in the Hinge. Just go to your Hinge app, which is right there. Just go ahead and open it and look at the bottom right where you can see this profile icon. Just go ahead and tap here, and now tap on the top right where you can see the gear icon. So through here you can find your email address right there. Just go ahead and tap on edit, which is right next to it, and just change your email, and all you need to do is tap on done and you're good to go. Unlike email, you cannot do the same with your phone number. So in order to change your phone number, you need to contact Hinge support. Hinge does not allow users to change phone numbers directly. So to do that, you must contact Hinge support to request they delete the account linked to your old phone number. And make sure you include your old phone number and written confirmation that you want the account deleted, and just create a new account once your old account is deleted. So in this way, you can successfully change email/phone number linked to Hinge account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.